Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is x squared minus y squared. This is equal to 36. So what is the value of x and what is the value of y, given that x and y, these are members of natural numbers? Then you find that x is not equal to 0 and that y is not equal to 0. So let's provide a solution from here. Now, x squared minus y squared, this is equal to 36. Now x squared minus y squared, this is the difference of two perfect squares that you can express as x plus y. X minus y, this is equal to 36. Now we have that x plus y, this is greater than x minus y. So the condition here is that x plus y is greater than x minus y. The next step is to determine the prime factors of 36. So we can multiply 36 times 1. This will give us 36. 1 times 36. This again will give us 36. Then we have 18 multiplied by 2. This will also give us 36. Then we have 2 times 18. Then we have 12 times 3. This will give us 36. 3 times 12. We have 9 times 4. This will give us 36. And as well, you have 4 times 9. Now, we have that x plus y is greater than x minus y. So this means that 36 here is greater than 1. So this satisfies the condition. 1 is less than 36. So this is rejected. 18 is greater than 2. This is accepted. 2 is less than 18. This is rejected. 12 is greater than 3. So this part is also rejected. This is accepted. 3 is less than 12. So we reject this part. 9 is greater than 4. So this is accepted and 4 is less than 9. So we have 4 cases here. We have case 1 here. This is case 2. Then we have case 3 and case 4. So we have that x plus y, x minus y, this is equal to 36 times 1. This is for case 1. In this case, from this case 1 here, we have that x plus y, this is equal to 36. And we have x minus y, this is equal to 1. So let's add these two systems of linear equations here. So that now we have x plus x, this is 2x. Y plus minus y, this simplifies. And then we have 36 plus 1, this is equal to 37. So now let's divide both sides by 2. So that now the value of x here is equal to 37 over 2. Given that x and y being members of natural numbers, then 37 over 2, this is not a natural number. This is not a natural number. So this means that case 1 is rejected. So this means that case 1 is rejected. So let's proceed to case 2. Let's proceed to case 2. In case 2, we have x plus y multiplied by x minus y. This is equal to 18 multiplied by 2. In case 2 here, we have x plus y times x minus y. This is equal to 18 times 2. So this means that x plus y, this is equal to 18. And x minus y, this is equal to 2. So again, these are systems of two linear equations. So let's sum these two systems of linear equations. X plus x, this is 2x. Y plus minus y, this simplifies. And then we have 18 plus 2, this is 20. So let's divide both sides by 2. So that now the value of x here is equal to 10. Now let's solve for the corresponding value of y. Remember x plus y, this is equal to 18. So we have that y is equal to 18 minus x, and this implies that here we have 18 minus 10, and therefore y is equal to 8. So we have the first set of solution here, that is x comma y. This is equal to 10 comma 8. So this is the first set of solution here. Now let's proceed to case 3. Let's proceed to case 3. In case 3, we have x plus y, x minus y. This is equal to 12 times 3. And this implies that x plus y, this is equal to 12, and that x minus y, this is equal to 3. So let's sum these two systems of linear equations. If x plus x, this is 2x, then y plus minus y, this simplifies, and then we have 12 plus 3, this is equal to 15. So let's divide by 2 here, and this implies that x is equal to 15 over 2. Again, this implies that this is not a natural number. 15 over 2 is not a natural number. And this means that case 3 here is rejected. Case 3 is rejected. So let's proceed to case 4. In case 4 here, we have x plus y, x minus y. This is equal to, now we have 9 multiplied by 4. Therefore, here we have x plus y. This is equal to 9. And x minus y, this is equal to 4. So again, these are two systems of linear equations. So let's add these two systems of linear equations. X plus x, this is 2x. Y plus minus y, this simplifies. Then we have 9 plus 4, this is equal to 13. So let's divide both sides by 2. And this implies that here we have that x is equal to 13 over 2. Again, this is not a natural number. So this is not a natural number. Now this implies that we have the only solution here, which is under case 2 here. In case 2, we have x and y is equal to 10 and 8. So we have the solution here, x and y. This is equal to, we have x equal to 10 and y equal to 8. So let's verify that x and y satisfies the equation. So we have that x squared minus y squared, this is supposed to give us a value of 36. Substituting the value of x here, which is 10 to the power of 2, subtract y, which is 8 to the power of 2, this should give us a value of 36. 10 squared is 100, subtract 8 squared, which is 64. This is supposed to give us a value of 36. 100 minus 64, this is equal to 36, and this is equal to 36. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this proves that the value of x and y here, which is 10 and 8, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.